Dreaming of launching a high-paying career in tech? Glowing Star Microsoft Cloud powers over 95% of Fortune 500 companies, and they need you. Whether you're starting fresh or leveling up, today's video will guide you through the 6 powerful Microsoft Cloud pillars, the certifications you need, and how to focus your learning for real-world success. Let's dive in. Microsoft Azure, Microsoft 365, Security Shields, AI icons orbiting around a career launchpad graphic. 1. Why Microsoft Cloud? Microsoft Cloud is massive. It's the backbone of industries like finance, healthcare, education, and government. Learning Microsoft Cloud skills doesn't just open doors, it opens vaults of opportunities in jobs, consulting, startups, and freelance gigs. And with the rise of AI, cybersecurity threats, and digital transformation, demand for Microsoft-certified professionals is exploding. 2. Meet the 6 Microsoft Cloud pillars. Microsoft Cloud is built on 6 major pillars. Think of them as your menu of specialties. Let's meet them. 1. Microsoft 365, modern workplace tools like Teams, Outlook, and SharePoint. Focus: productivity, collaboration, device management, security. 2. Azure, the backbone of cloud computing. Build apps, host services, manage cloud infrastructure. 3. Data and AI, work with databases, analytics, machine learning, and generative AI models. 4. Business applications, Dynamics 365 CRM and ERP platforms. Focus: sales, customer service, finance, operations. 5. Security, compliance, identity, protect organizations against cyber threats using Defender, Sentinel, Purview, and Entra ID. DevOps and developer tools, build and automate applications using GitHub, Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud-native technologies. Choosing your pillar is key to building a career that matches your passion and strengths. How to focus your learning? Alright, you've seen the menu. How do you choose what to eat? Here's how. Start with your background and interests. Love collaboration? Start with Microsoft 365. Fascinated by servers, apps, infrastructure? Azure. Passionate about AI and data analysis? Data and AI. Interested in CRM, finance and sales? Business applications. Want to fight hackers? Security. Love coding and automating? DevOps. Focus on one pillar first. Become confident, then expand later. Follow a certification path. Microsoft certifications are highly recognized globally. Remember, clarity plus consistency equals career acceleration. Microsoft provides clear, step-by-step certification paths. Let's explore them pillar by pillar. Microsoft 365, Modern Work. Entry, MS 900, Microsoft 365 Fundamentals. Admins, MS 102, Microsoft 365 Administrator Associate. Specialties: Endpoint Admin, MD 102, Teams Admin, MS 700. Azure, Cloud Infrastructure and Apps Entry, AZ 900, Azure Fundamentals Core, AZ 104, Azure Administrator Developers, AZ 204, Azure Developer Architects, AZ 305, Azure Solutions Architect Expert, Data and AI. Entry, DP 900, Data Fundamentals. Data Engineers, DP 203, Azure Data Engineer Associate. AI Engineers, AI 102, Azure AI Engineer Associate. Business Applications, Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. Entry, PL 900, Power Platform Fundamentals. Functional Consultants. Sales, MB 210. Customer Service, MB 230. Finance and Operations, MB 310/MB 500. Security, Compliance, Identity. Entry, SC 900, Security, Compliance, Identity Fundamentals. Cybersecurity, SC 200, Security Operations Analyst. SC 300, Identity and Access Administrator. SC 400, Information Protection Administrator. DevOps and Developer Tools. Developer Focus, AZ 204, Azure Developer Associate. DevOps Engineer, AZ 400, Azure DevOps Engineer Expert. A tree-growing certification badges from roots, foundations, to branches, associate, expert. Side-by-side paths with simple icons for each cert. Ready to start? Here are 5 quick steps. 1. Choose your pillar based on passion and career goals. 2. Take a fundamental certification, even if you're experienced. 3. Build hands-on skills, free labs, sandbox environments, Microsoft Learn. 4. Join a community, LinkedIn groups, Discord, tech communities. 5. Stay updated. Microsoft certifications are refreshed often. Your first certification is your ticket, but skills and consistency are what build a real career. Encouraging video clips of people studying, hands-on labs, certification badges. Microsoft Cloud careers are booming, and your future is waiting. No matter where you're starting from, there's a place for you. Hit that subscribe button, because next week we'll break down free study resources and hidden tips to ace your exams. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your cloud career starts today.